Jeonju, known as the cultural capital of Korea. With many traditional buildings such as Hanok Village and rich cuisine, this is a great destination to explore the beauty of Korea. We will introduce the top 3 hotels in Jeonju. If you want to receive hotel information every evening, please click the subscribe button. Located right in front of Jeonju Hanok Village, there are many stores and restaurants nearby. Rooms are a bit old but comfortable with a beautiful view of Hanok Village. Equipped with many facilities such as swimming pool, gym, cafe, serving delicious breakfast. Just behind Pungnamun Gate, a stone throw away from Hanok Village, there's also a bus station to travel to the city area. Spacious rooms with water dispenser and heated floor. Modern interior with 1 single bed and 1 queen bed. Quiet and cozy atmosphere. Walking distance to Hanok Village and shopping district. Modern hotel in Jeonju providing luxurious experiences. Rooms are new, clean and spacious with high ceilings. Fully equipped with many facilities such as clothing styler. Friendly staffs, highly recommended. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.